Hey everyone, welcome back to App Mentor. Today we're diving into Wells Fargo Credit Card lineup to help you decide which one is best fit for you. So Wells Fargo offers several credit card options, each tailored to different needs, whether you're looking for rewards, low interest rates, or a balanced transfer card. And now we're going to break down the most popular ones. First up, we have the Wells Fargo Active Cash Card. This is the go-to card. If you want simple, unlimited cashback, you get 2% cash rewards on every purchase. No categories, no fuss. Plus, there's no annual fee, and you can earn a nice sign-up bonus after meeting a minimum spending requirement. It's perfect for everyday spending and maximizing rewards on everything you buy. Next, we've got the Wells Fargo Reflect card. If you're looking for a low-interest card, especially for balance transfers, this one's a solid choice. It offers a long 0% introductory APR for up to 21 months on purchases and qualifying balance transfers. After that, the APR adjusts, but if you need to pay the debt or make a big purchase, this card gives you plenty of breathing room. After that, we have a traveler or just love earning points. Now we have Wells Fargo Autograph card. If you're a traveler or just love earning points, check out the Wells Fargo Autograph card. This card gives you 3x points on popular categories like dining, travel, guest stations, and even streaming services. It's great if you want to rack up points fast without paying an annual fee. Plus you get some travel perks like insurance for rental cars. Also we have a Tune and Signify Business Cash cards if you like these. You can go on their website and tap on Learn More to find out about the details about these cards as well. So which Wells Fargo card is best for you? If you want simple cashback on every purchase, the Active Cash card is a great choice. Need to manage debt or avoid interest? The Reflect card has your back. And for points lovers who spent in bonus categories, the Autograph card offers great rewards with no annual fee. Each Wells Fargo credit card has its strengths depending on your financial needs. If you're after rewards, cashback, or just need time to pay off big purchases, Wells Fargo has a card to match. Now, it's your turn. Let me know in the comments which card you think is best. And if this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more reviews on credit cards, tech, and finance. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.